people think they know Linux. When they hear the word, they picture familiar names like Ubuntu, Fedora, Arch, maybe even Debian if they've been around long enough.
And now I'd like to introduce him. He is going to continue the video.
They imagine terminal windows, package managers, and the occasional headache of drivers not working properly. But what if I told you there's a Linux distribution that almost nobody talks about? Something quietly evolving in the background. Something that challenges the way we think about operating systems altogether. This isn't one of those hyped projects that gets attention for a few months and then disappears. It's something deeper, more refined, and surprisingly powerful. And the strange part is, despite how impressive it is, it remains hidden in plain sight. The truth is, the Linux world is massive. Thousands of distributions exist, each with its own philosophy, design choices, and purpose. Most of them are either derivatives of a few major bases, or experimental projects that never quite reach stability. But every once in a while, something different appears. Not just a remix or a theme change, but a genuine shift in thinking. This hidden distro falls into that rare category. It doesn't try to be flashy. It doesn't rely on marketing or community hype. Instead, it quietly focuses on solving problems that many mainstream distros have simply accepted as unavoidable. One of the first things that sets it apart is its approach to system stability and updates. Traditionally, Linux users have had to choose between stability and freshness. You either pick a stable distribution that rarely changes but can feel outdated, or you go with a rolling release that gives you the latest software but occasionally breaks things. This hidden distro refuses to accept that trade-off. It introduces a model where updates are atomic, meaning the system applies them as complete units rather than piecemeal changes. If something goes wrong, you don't need to fix broken packages or dig through logs for hours. You simply roll back to a previous working state instantly. That alone might not sound revolutionary, but think about what it means in practice. Imagine updating your system without fear. No anxiety about whether your system will boot afterward. No hesitation before running that upgrade command. It fundamentally changes your relationship with your operating system. Instead of treating updates as risky events, they become routine, almost invisible. Another aspect that makes this distro stand out is its focus on immutability. In most Linux systems, the core of the operating system can be modified directly. While that offers flexibility, it also opens the door to instability and inconsistency over time. This hidden distro takes a different approach. The core system is read-only, meaning it cannot be altered during normal operation. All changes happen in controlled layers on top of the base system. This design ensures that the underlying OS remains consistent and reliable, no matter what you install or configure.
At first, this might sound restrictive. After all, Linux users love freedom and customization.
But in reality, it offers a different kind of freedom. Instead of worrying about breaking your system, you can experiment freely in isolated environments. You can try new software, tweak configurations, and even mess things up without risking the integrity of your system. If something goes wrong, you simply reset or roll back, and everything is back to normal. Then there's the way it handles applications. Instead of relying heavily on traditional package managers, it embraces containerized applications. This means software runs in its own isolated environment, separate from the core system and from other applications. The benefit here is huge. No more dependency conflicts. No more situations where installing one program breaks another. Each application brings its own dependencies and runs independently, ensuring consistency and reliability. This approach also makes the system more secure. Since applications are isolated, a vulnerability in one app doesn't necessarily compromise the entire system. It's like having multiple mini-environments running on top of a stable base, each protected from the others. For users who care about privacy and security, this is a game changer. What's even more interesting is how this distro handles user environments. Instead of forcing everyone into a single setup, it allows users to define their own environments in a modular way. You can have different configurations for different tasks, all coexisting on the same system. For example, you might have one environment optimized for development, another for gaming, and another for everyday use. Switching between them is seamless, almost like changing profiles on a device. This level of flexibility is rarely seen in traditional operating systems. It's not just about customization anymore. It's about adaptability. The system molds itself to your needs, rather than forcing you to adapt to it. Performance is another area where this distro quietly excels. Because of its design, it avoids many of the inefficiencies that plague traditional systems. The redundantly based system, combined with isolated applications, results in a cleaner, more efficient environment. Boot times are faster, resource usage is more predictable, and the system feels snappy even on older hardware. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of this hidden distro is its philosophy. It's not trying to compete directly with mainstream options. It's not trying to replace them overnight. Instead, it represents a different way of thinking about computing. It challenges the idea that an operating system should be constantly modified and tweaked. It suggests that maybe, just maybe, stability and flexibility don't have to be opposites. This philosophy extends to its development model as well. The project is often driven by a small but dedicated group of developers who prioritize quality over quantity. They don't rush releases or chase trends. Every feature is carefully considered, tested, and refined before it becomes part of the system. This results in a level of polish that's hard to find in many other distros. Of course, no system is perfect. This hidden distro does come with its own set of challenges. For new users, the concepts of immutability and containerized applications can be confusing at first. It requires a shift in mindset, especially for those who are used to traditional Linux systems. There's a learning curve, and not everyone is willing to climb it. Additionally, the ecosystem around this distro is still growing. While it supports a wide range of applications, it may not have the same level of community support or documentation as more popular options. This can make troubleshooting more difficult, especially for beginners. But here's the thing. These challenges are also part of what makes it special. It's not trying to be everything for everyone. It's designed for users who are willing to think differently, to explore new ideas, and to embrace a new way of interacting with their system. And that brings us to the big question. Why isn't anyone talking about it? The answer is surprisingly simple. It doesn't rely on hype. It doesn't have flashy marketing or a massive community pushing it into the spotlight. It grows quietly, attracting users who discover it through curiosity or necessity. And those who do discover it often become its biggest advocates. In a world where attention is driven by trends and popularity, something like this can easily go unnoticed. But sometimes, the most impactful innovations are the ones that don't make noise. They work silently, improving things behind the scenes, waiting for the right moment to be recognized. So if you're someone who feels like traditional operating systems have hit a wall, if you're tired of choosing between stability and flexibility, if you're curious about what the future of Linux might look like, then this hidden distro might be exactly what you've been looking for. It's not just another Linux distribution. It's a glimpse into a different future, one where systems are more reliable, more secure, and more adaptable. A future where you don't have to worry about breaking your system every time you try something new. A future where your operating system works with you, not against you. And maybe, just maybe, the reason no one is talking about it is because it doesn't need to be talked about. It simply works.